First one is net sown area. Remember this net sown area. Forest land, land not available for cultivation. Fallows land, cultivable wasteland. So you have to write all this: permanent pastures and other grazing land. Permanent pastures and other grazing land. Land under miscellaneous use. First one is you have to write net sown area, all 7 categories. Forest area, land not available for cultivation. Fallows land, cultivable wasteland, permanent pasture and other grazing lands. Land under miscellaneous. So for 4 marks you have to explain each and every. Net sown area, what is net sown area, what is for forest area, land not available for cultivation. So look here, here is explanation. So look here, first one is net sown area. So net sown area cover 42% of area of land. जितना एरिया है इंडिया का, पूरे इंडिया का एरिया 42% ऑफ द लैंड इज यूज फॉर नेट सोन एरिया. नेट सोन एरिया तो एग्रीकल्चर इतनी लैंड पर हमें कर रही है, हमें 42% के लैंड पर हमें क्या करनी, वी आर डूइंग एग्रीकल्चरल कल्टिवेशन, वी आर ग्रोइंग क्रॉप्स. रिमेनिंग 58% आर यूज अदर पर्पसेस. द हाईएस्ट प्रोपोर्शन फाउंड, तो ये 42% में हाईएस्ट प्रोपोर्शंस के विच स्टेट्स हैव फाउंड. तो फर्स्ट इज पंजाब, हरियाणा, वेस्ट बंगाल, उत्तर प्रदेश एंड केरला. दीज स्टेट्स हैव यूज लैंड फॉर cultivation. This 42% and these states are leading state to use the land for net sown area. I hope you understand. Next is land not available for cultivation. So here is, look here, land used for non-agriculture purposes. Agriculture purposes opposite non-agriculture purposes, like human settlement, आदमी जो घरा बनले थी ना उसे बोलती ह्यूमन सेटलमेंट. और रोड्स, लैंड यूज फॉर रोड्स, railways, canals, mountains, it cover 14%. First one is 42%, next one is 14% of area. अब all these human settlement, road, railways, canals, maximum human settlement, maximum roads, maximum railways are found in Assam, Manipur and Sikkim. These states are using maximum land for this purpose, non-agriculture purposes. Okay, next explanation is here. Fallows land. Next explanation is fallows land, wasteland. The land which is not used for cultivation. The land which is not used for cultivation. It covers 8% of total land, largely found in Mizoram, Tamil Nadu, Meghalaya. So 8%. First one is 42%, 14%, 8%. Land is there, but land is not useful for cultivation. Again, next is cultivable wasteland. Land which is not taken up for cultivation due to. Land is there, but it is not useful for agriculture. Why? Because soil deficiency, मिट्टी में फर्टिलिटी ज़्यादा नहीं रहती, उसके वास्ते. लार्जली फाउंड इन विच स्टेट्स? मेघालय, गोवा, नागालैंड, राजस्थान. इट कवर 4% of total area. I hope you understand.